Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I have got a great recipe for you today that I think you're really going to like. It is summertime, and during the summer, I love to do all sorts of salads, bean salads, all sorts of leafy green salads, and a pasta salad is one of my favorites because it's just a favorite of the whole family. So let's take a look at this bow tie pasta salad that we're going to do today. It involves obviously bow tie pasta and green beans. The recipe, excuse me, the recipe everybody calls for French cut green beans, but no need to worry if you can only get just regular green beans. That's what I've got here today. French cut green beans might be a little prettier, but this recipe with all of its colors and its wonderful ingredients is still going to be very pretty, and I think you're going to like it. So let's get started. We'll start with our wet ingredients, and that will be a quarter cup of olive oil and some vinegar, white vinegar, 3 tablespoons. I don't always give you guys the amounts because I know that it's going to be on the screen there, but today I'm feeling like giving you some amounts. So 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of balsamic, 1 tablespoon of Dijon. I didn't always like Dijon mustard, but I've gotten to where I do like it now, but especially in a salad like this. But I've started adding some to my ground beef. I made some ground beef. I made some elk burgers a couple nights ago, and I added some Dijon into my seasoning, and it was just it really made it sort of come alive. All right, so a teaspoon of seasoned salt. This one I'm just gonna eyeball it, and if it needs more, we'll come back. So whisk, whisk, whisk. This is going to be a really nice light base for our salad, and we'll toss it all together. With a salad like this, you could go exactly. We've been talking about this for years. You could go exactly by the recipe and make it precisely like we tell you to, or you could mix it up and do it however you like. If you don't like Kalamata olives, use green olives or pepperoncini or tomatillas or just whatever you feel like doing. But I really like Kalamata olives, and I also like goat cheese. So if you don't like goat cheese, you could replace this with a crumbled blue cheese or feta cheese. It's whatever you like. So make it the first time and go, oh, wow, that was not perfect. Let me make it perfect. Or you can make it the first time exactly like this and say, man, that was a home run, and I'm going to do this every time. So we've got our wet ingredients mixed together. Now to that, I'm going to add my pasta and my green beans. We've got a lot of pasta here. So I think I'm not going to use every bit of it. I think I'm going to start with maybe about half of it. And if we need more, or if the salad looks a little bit poor, we'll come back to it. And my green beans. I love a green bean. And we'll just toss that a little bit together in our, and we talk about this a lot too, but it's important to toss it. I don't want to cut these beautiful bow tie pastas up, and I definitely don't want to cream those green beans. I want to toss them and make sure that our wet ingredients in the bottom just get all over. Okay, so now let's add in some beautiful red bell pepper. Oops, excuse me. Some beautiful red bell pepper. I love all these colors. I used to do a show on Food Network called Not My Mama's Meals. And my goal every time that I made a recipe was to just see how much color I could get in there. In fact, one of our food producers used to say, eat the rainbow, eat the rainbow. And I always remember that. I thought that was just a great tip for, for your diet. I mean, if you're eating lots of good color, then you're doing well. Okay, the Kalamata olives. And again, if you're not an olive fan, you could find something else that you like. But I love olives, and I could just stand around and really just eat a whole jar of them. I've done it before. Some oregano leaves. It's going to add some nice Italian flair. And we've got some beautiful basil here. We're lucky enough to have, we all at our houses have beautiful gardens. My wife's got a beautiful garden at home, and we're growing. I think I told y'all a few weeks ago that I've got on my counter a one of those little herb gardens, one of those electronic herb gardens, and we love it. But that thing was just, it was overflowing with so much, so many herbs, you just couldn't believe it. So I had to move it into a pot and put it outside into a much bigger pot. And I put it out by my wife's garden, and that thing looks so nice. And we've got just herbs and vegetables coming out of our ears. So many tomatoes, so many cucumbers. You just can't believe it. What else do we have? We have beautiful peppers. Hey, Lulu. La, 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 la. Hey, Lulu, I can't pet you right now. I'm so sorry. I love you. I see you. I love you. That's Lulu, everybody. And finally, our goat cheese. And there you go. Hey, Lulu. Hey, Lulu. Hey, Lulu. Hey, 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 hey. I'm sorry, everybody. I'm not going to give you my hands, but I'm going to give you my face. Oh. Hey, Lulu. Hey, sweetie. Okay. Y'all got to get some love. I got a couple of those things at my house, too. And I love to love on them. Okay, that is speaking of love, that is a lovely salad. Really, really pretty. Chock full of just the goods, The goods. We'll just toss that a little bit. Man. Summertime. Is the living easy? I don't know. It's so hot. It might not be easy living. But that is a beautiful summer salad. And I think that, just for good measure, a little bit of black pepper right on top. And I should definitely taste it, shouldn't I? Going to get a bite that's got everything in it. So I've got some olive, I've got some green bean, I got pasta, I got basil, and I've got oregano. Mm-hmm. Excuse me. I would be happy if I were served this in any restaurant. It's a beautiful salad, simple ingredients, really simple to put together. It won't break the bank, and I think that you'll love it. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me. See you later.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.